So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a update for HBAR. You guys can see that this price prediction has been on the chart for a couple of weeks now, ever since the 19th of August. And here it is beginning the month of October. So I wanted to come in and see if the cryptocurrency is still worth the market move to the downside of which we're predicting. And if not, we'll get rid of this prediction and then look for HBAR to continue to go higher. So first of all, welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you all hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content. I am not here to shill you, give you any FUD, any FOMO. We're just simply here paying attention to what everyone else is anticipating prior to the next move. So let's go ahead and talk about it, because this prediction, as you all can tell, we found buyers right there around 21 cents, right? This was the initial stage that notified everyone in the market that, hey, there's some buyers right there around 20 cents, 21 cents. So we identified that area as a buy pocket. And then time went past, time went on, and then the market on the 22nd of September, you guys can see that those same buyers, if not potentially more people, came through and bought HBAR. So this is a very firm area that we all can acknowledge and say, well, apparently someone is there trying to buy HBAR, because they didn't let the price fall. They held price right there around 21 cents. That's a big thing. So now this may indicate that HBAR is trying to get prepared for some higher prices. Let's take a look at HBAR on the 2. Okay, so you can just see a little bit cleaner that the market in HBAR is still holding those prices around 21 cents. Here it is on the 3. Okay, I would like to see how this 3-day price bar ends in the next day of 14 hours, because if it ends the way that it looks now, then yeah, I will be looking for the market in HBAR to continue to try to lift and go higher. We've already established some points of selling right here around 23.5 cents, all the way up there around 24.25 cents. Okay, now here it is on the 4. That's that looks pretty good in favor of the buyers, because like I told you in the beginning of the video, we've acknowledged that there's people here buying HBAR right here, and off of this 4-day bar, we still didn't get the weakness. The next 4 days, the market in HBAR, instead of closing lower, it closed higher. And now you can see on the current 4-day bar, we're still seeing the market closing at the highs. HBAR on the 5. Same thing here on the 5-day chart. We have 13 hours and 6 minutes, but you can see that the switchover occurred in price handling, meaning who's controlling the price. The sellers control the price on this 5-day bar, and then it switched over to the buyers on this 5-day bar. That's why the market currently is closing up there at the high. Now, this is a good indication for buyers to continue to move the market, but we still have 13 hours left before this print, so anything can happen within that time frame that could completely negate what we thought was going to happen in terms of buyers continuing to move the market up. So just keep that in mind. Here it is on the weekly. Let's take a look at HBAR on the monthly chart. So for the month, this kind of should cause you some pause on how strong the buyers really are, because the month of September, it was not bullish. So we may see throughout the month of October, HBAR try to lift and go higher, but only just to be impacted by sellers. Okay, so just keep that in mind, that the long-term charts in HBAR definitely still resembles weakness. So I want to look at this on 3 months. Okay, so we're starting out on a new 3-month bar for HBAR. And the last 3-month bar started in July, you can definitely see that sellers hit the market. Okay, so let's look at this on the hourly chart. So yeah, you guys can see that we're definitely hitting stride in terms of buyers lifting the price. So we're going to get rid of that sell pocket there. We're going to try to target this one and then this next one around 25 cents. It is on the 5-hour chart. I'm just trying to see on the hourly chart, is there any weakness being seen? And right now I don't see it. Here it is on the 330. So we might need to create a buy pocket here soon. I'm not going to do it today, but just, I would say around like 22 cents to potentially like 22 and a half cents. That may be a buy pocket that we might need to eventually create, just for us to get the idea that HBAR is still bullish. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so we got our targets already here. First target is going to be at this first sell pocket, which is around 3.8% at the high, which is around 23 and a half cents. It may just hit the bottom of that pocket. So we just target a vicinity. Our next target will be this middle sell pocket at 24 cents. So like 24, almost 25 cents. That gives us around 9.4%. Then our third target is going to be up here, this 25 and a half cents to 26 cent sell pocket. It's around 15.5% move to the upside there. Now, definitely, if we see the market in HBAR close below this first, close below this first buy pocket, then we need to alter and we reevaluate the situation, because the market can definitely go a lot lower once these buyers who are present here leave. All right, so just keep that in mind too for HBAR. And we'll go ahead and get rid of this other price prediction right here. At the low of those buy pocket, that buy pocket is around 13.68%. If you work out the market right now, it's around 6.19% profit. All right, so you guys got that. We'll go ahead and extend this over for a little bit. We'll save it. And now it's your turn. You guys let me know. Do you think the market in HBAR is going to continue to lift? And if it's going to continue to go higher, where do you think it's going to top out? Where do you think the sellers are going to try to pop in and keep this cryptocurrency from going any higher? We got our three areas delineated and shown on the chart. Go ahead and let me know what your thoughts are. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.